at day 4. So we've learned about our comparing length and height. So remember using taller, shorter. Thinking about our weight, where our mass, when we're looking at the balance. So the heavier object is at the bottom and the lighter object is at the top. Today we're looking at different things. We're still looking at measuring and comparing, but this time we're looking at volume. And volume is a different word. The words that we use for volume is things like full, empty, almost empty. And I'm sure that when you get a glass of water, you want that glass of water to be full and not empty. So thinking about when you are at home and you're thinking, well, my glass is empty, or my glass is half, or my glass is almost empty, or my glass is almost full. So think about that when you're next having some water or eating some food. Have a think about that. We've got some other little bits and pieces that you can watch, and there's a game here for you to try your best at thinking about those words. So if we have a look at these glasses here, we've got a full glass of water, an empty glass of water, and this one is half full, or you might say it's almost full or almost empty. So thinking about those words today. So if we have a look at activity 1, we've got glass A and glass B. We're using the words today more and less to compare these containers. So if we have a look at A and we look at B, then we've got to finish our sentence. So A has something, then B. Have a think, what word can you use there? Will it be more or will it be less? So if we have a look up on the whiteboard here, I've got those sentences written for us. So we've got A has less than B. It has less juice or water in that than the other one. Now, if we have a look at the second picture, we've got A and we've got B. So again, we have to think more or less. Does A have more or does it have less than B? So let's fill in our sentence. This time, A has more than B. So we need to make sure that we're using that word more than. Okay. And then our final activity for number 1, looking at putting our boxes into order. So if we look at purple box here, A, how many counters does each box have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A has 6. Try and remember that. B has 1, 2, 3, 4 counters. And C has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters. Now we have to order it. So you've got to start with the smallest all the way to the largest. So which letter has the smallest amount in it? B, because it has 4. So we're going to add B up the top. Which one has the next largest? C, because it has 5. So it would be B, C, and our largest is A, because it has 6 counters. So A will be at the end. So it'll be B, C, and A. And remember to make sure you're counting as well if you forget how many there is. Okay. Now let's have a look at one of our problem solving. So, if we have a look here, we've got 5 white cups equals 1 blue bucket. So if we had 5 cups and we poured them into a bucket, how many cups would it take? It would take 5. You might like to do that at home. You might like to get a cup and see if I have a bowl, if I have a bucket, how many cups of water do I need to fill the bucket? So that might be something you like to do outside or in your kitchen. So have a think about that. Now, if we have 5 cups in the blue bucket, and it takes 2 blue buckets to fill 1 red bucket, how many white cups will fill 1 red bucket? That's a bit tricky, so we're going to do this really slowly, really hard, really slowly. So, it takes 2 blue buckets. We need 2 of these block buckets to go into this red bucket. Now we know that there's 5 white cups in this blue bucket, but we need 2 of these blue buckets. So we need to make sure that we have 5 white buckets, white cups here that fill 1 bucket, and there's 5 more for this other bucket. So how many does it make? We've got 5 plus 5. I know you all know your number bonds, so make sure you know how to do it. But if you need to use your fingers again, you can use your fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we need 10 white cups for this red bucket here. So have a go again. Maybe you'd like to have a go in your garden or in your kitchen and look at how many cups go into your buckets. And then you can have a go at looking at this other problem solving.